Magnitude 3.5 earthquake felt near Reedley, California. A magnitude 3.5 earthquake was reported Tuesday morning at 11:15 a.m. Pacific Time 94 miles from Reedley, California, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The earthquake occurred 96 miles from Dinuba, California, 96 miles from Calif, California, 97 miles from San Jose, California, and 99 miles from Exeter, California. In the past 10 days, there have been 2 earthquakes of magnitude 3.0 or greater centered nearby. An average of 234 earthquakes with magnitudes between 3.0 and 4.0 occur per year in California and Nevada, according to a recent 3-year data sample.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.